It's pretty simple, really. Players can't position themselves between the ball and the opposing goal line more than half the distance from the second to last defender. The rule is there to cut down on breakaway goals and cherry picking. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to get dinner ready.
Now, obviously, some of our viewers are going to be upset about seeing a cat go into a microwave. Well, here to explain everything, assure you that it's all okay, is NBC Safety Commissioner Jim Felden.
Good evening. Here at NBC, safety is our prime concern, and I personally supervise the taping of this bit, and I can assure you that Fluffy is just fine. I'm talking, of course, about Fluffy the microwave. Did that exploding cat scare you? Poor Fluffy.
That really pissed people off.